Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Tesla Supercharging credit using Tesla app step by step clearly. Open the Tesla app on your smartphone. Log into your Tesla account if you haven't already. Navigate to the charging section in the app. Look for the Supercharging option listed in your features. Tap on Supercharging credits to view your current balance. Select the option to transfer credits. Enter the recipient's Tesla account details. Make sure to double-check the email address or phone number. Specify the amount of credits you wish to transfer. Review the transfer details for accuracy. Confirm the transfer by tapping the Send button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the transfer was successful. Inform the recipient that they should check their account for the incoming credits. Monitor your own account to ensure the credits have been deducted. Keep an eye on your email for any notifications regarding the transfer. That's it. You have successfully transferred your Tesla Supercharging credits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.